welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into what is Visual Studio Code and how we can install it. Visual Studio Code is a open source code editor. We will first look into the website itself. Let's search for Visual Studio Code and go to this website. Okay, so you have inbuilt intelligence. You can run and debug the code. Okay, built-in git we have, and it's supported by n number of useful extension which will add on the capability of Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's very powerful tool and getting the popularity these days and supporting almost all the major languages we have, right? JavaScript, Python, Java, Markdown language we have, TypeScript, C, C++, JSON, PowerShell, HTML, C Sharp, PHP, YAML, okay, and many more. Okay, so basically, any type of code editing is possible using Visual Studio Code, and it's keep on building and on and on. Okay, they are very aggressively and actively developing this tool. It's very lightweighted, not like Visual Studio. Okay, it's very lightweighted. Okay, and I would recommend if you want to edit any type of code, use Visual Studio Code. Okay, so in order to download this, let me go to download page itself. Okay, based on your OS architecture or system architecture, okay, you can download the installer. I have Windows machine, okay, and I will be downloading 64-bit of system installer. User and system installer are little different. Okay, user is user specific installation when you want to install Visual Studio Code for your own user only. Okay, and system installer is like it's universal, available for all the users present on that local machine. Okay, so I will be downloading the system installer. Okay, 64-bit. Okay. So it will take few seconds to download this. Okay, and we will, as soon as it's downloaded, we will install it. Okay. Download has completed. Now we are installing Visual Studio Code. Let me accept the license here, click on next. Okay, I want to install Visual Studio Code in my default directory, which it is showing. I will click on next. Okay, select yes. Okay, I want Visual Studio Code in my start menu. Let me click on next. Let me add this on desktop as well. Okay, and add open with code in the Windows Explorer file context menu. When you right click on it, you will see an option to open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then add open with the code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. Even on directory right click, if you do, you can open the directory directly in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, let these two options be checked. Okay, and click on next. Let me click on install. Okay, it will take few seconds and install the Visual Studio Code on your machine. Okay, we are done with the installation. Okay, I can launch Visual Studio Code. Okay, from the start menu from the desktop as well. Okay, for now, let me start this Visual Studio Code. Okay, okay. So like this, you can open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, Even from the right click options as well, we can open the folder in Visual Studio Code. So the first icon is for the Explorer. Here you will be seeing all your project file and folders. Okay. Then I have search option. I can search for any file or any pattern or text. Okay. Then I have integrated Git. Okay, with the source control. Okay. Then I have run and debug option. I can run and debug any script I have. Then we have very powerful option now named as extension. Okay, you can find and install any type of extensions on your machine. Okay, you have integrated terminal. We have already opened this terminal. Okay, we can open it from here as well. Okay, as many terminals you want to open, you can open more. Okay, you can switch between terminals. It's very easy. Okay, you can close the terminals. Okay. So I would recommend, if you want a lightweight code editor, this is one of the best tool which you can have in your machine. Thanks for watching this video.